Well, hello guys and welcome to another tutorial Firebase consuming Daraja API. This is Ben. In this class we're going to simulate. So let's create our endpoint and it's going to be simulate. We'll pass the normal stuff, but first of all we'll have to pass the middleware. So access token, then requests, response, then now the function starts here. So we'll have our Safaricom endpoint here. Const, then we'll go to requests. We'll take two things. The first one is the URL here, then we have the callback. So callback, we have error, response, and the body. If there was an error, I want to log it, and also let us notify ourselves from the front end that we faced an error. Good. If there was no error, also let us see the body of the response. And this error is on our end, but the second error that we might find on the body is from the Safaricom end. So here we will do the URL, and this URL is going to be the endpoint that we had defined up there. Pass the method, this post, then we'll pass the headers. This is going to be authorization, bearer, requests dot access token. Then we'll pass the body of the requests just in JSON format. So we'll start with the shortcode. It's supposed to be 383,600. Then go to the response type. No, do we need? No. Supposed to have the amount. Yes. Then we have the bill ref number. This is like the invoice number. Because we don't have, we'll just say test pay. Pass the endpoint there. Then the command ID, which is customer pay bill online. Pay bill online. Good. I think that's all. So let's deploy. Ensure you see all our videos so that you don't get stuck along the way. Yeah. And also, if you're new, subscribe and like the video. Please leave a comment. Tell me how I'm doing. So we are deploying this function so we can test it. So first of all, start by registering the URL, and this is proceeding. Good. So let's register. Good. Let us now simulate it, and we go to our Firebase console where we want to view the logs, and there we have validation is here and the confirmation is here. So let's just go to one of them. Hide this. Go to confirmation. We have the validation response. As you can see, we have even the transaction number. Let me go to confirmation. You might not be able to see everything from this end, but I think we can try our best to see what we can see. So we have the bill type, we have the amount, business shortcode, the usernames, and the transaction ID, as you can see. So that marks the end of this class. So you have simulated, you've been able to get the confirmation and the validation as well. I'll still insist subscribe, and let's meet in our next class. Thank you.